All right, they're called the Prophecy Brothers, and they'll be performing for us in a bit. With me now are the mime duo. Timoy is the shorter one, because the two of them are on the same thing, and Chadrick, which means Chadrick Dollar. Timoy Smith, Chadrick Barnes. Morning, welcome to Smile Jamaica.
Good morning, thank you for having
speak,
us.
even though if you're mime, you're not supposed to talk.
That's right.
But why are you speaking then?
It's an interview.
Timoy, how long you started this?
We started from 2011.
Yeah?
Call it about 8 years now.
Where this came from? Who would you have seen do something like this, Chadrick?
It was really in church, and we wanted something a little different as opposed to just dancing.
Yeah.
So we kind of incorporated mime and dance, sign language, and acting. So I guess that creates mime, I guess.
So the first one was what? That you did dancing?
No, it was mime, actually.
Mime?
I did the first one by myself with
Okay.
dance, and
Yeah.
then he came on board, and then I guess Prophecy Brothers started.
But
from
again, did you see anywhere, anyone else
there. Yeah,
in
of
the
course,
world?
internationally, persons would do it.
But where did you see it?
The
though?
inspiration come from K&K Mime, a group international.
Okay.
So when we watch them, we were like, oh my God, these guys are so awesome. If
Yeah.
they can do it, we can do it as well.
Right.
So we got the inspiration
So
from them.
your mime dance,
It can be incorporated.
It's
Mime-
more of mime dance as opposed to mime, just mime.
okay, so it's mime dance. So you would need choreography also. in
Yes.
that. And who does that?
He does it
I do most of
mainly,
it,
and then I would kind of tweak it.
And the music can be any kind of music? Because I was hearing one that you're probably going to be doing, which is a little slow, but you can do it too.
Yeah.
Yes.
Calypso.
And the
dance.
last one we did was actually sounds. So we use the sounds to create like a whole scene.
What you mean by that? What do you mean by that?
For example, like if we're trying to find the sound, we'll just work with that sound. Anything that we
Like a
listen to.
boom or a
Like
crash,
a boom or a crash.
instead of
Any sound.
regular instrumentals
Yes.
or song or
Yes.
yeah.
How have you been accepted, for want of a better word? People kind of say, what that?
They always call us clones,
Clones,
which
dopey.
I really dislike.
Even Duppy.
Yeah.
Dopey too?
Yeah.
So walking through the crowd to, for example, like a stage, I really don't like it because persons are, who is this and why, you know, so
Yeah.
I prefer to be on the stage whenever a person sees us.
Yes.
Yeah. But it kind of look like a...
Yeah, it's okay.
I don't know about the dopey, I never see one yet. I don't know if you look like one. I have never seen, but you kind of look like a clown. But you find that it's been accepted a little bit more now, or
Yes.
Yes, yes. for
anyone else in the country, as far as you know, does anything like this?
Oh, yes.
sure. Yeah, you have a
Mhm,
lot.
a lot.
A lot?
A lot.
Yeah,
Yes.
Me
and
never
I
see-
recently found this out actually. We went to a mime
Production.
production. So every item on the program was strictly mime.
Strictly Mime.
Yeah, a lot.
Like, for example-
You've seen somebody else do this? I've never seen anybody else do it.
Yeah.
Oh, great. What you going to do this morning? It's from what, or you know, you're just going to do it and we will understand what you do.
You
Yeah, I
understand what we
hope
do.
you
Hope
understand.
you guys will
So it's, you're going to tell me a little story, almost like a little opera type of thing?
Yes. Yes.
It doesn't sound like it, certain.
Because I hope you receive it as that.
Yeah.
I shall receive it as that. Timoy Smith and Chadrick Barnes. Run the track and let's see what they're up to.